What's going on, guys? Matt over at Easy Auto Spa, and today we are doing something really cool on a Sprinter van. This is a commercial vinyl wrap. You've seen vehicles driving around, whether it's a AC repair guy or a plumber or somebody else in your neighborhood, and they've got their vehicles lettered up. It looks super professional. If you're one of those professionals who wants your vehicle to look the way the rest of your company does, we can make that happen. We can do a full commercial wrap. This includes everything from design to install. We can help you with some of the color aspects of it. If you don't even have logos, we can help that if that's something that you need to explore. This particular vehicle is getting a QR code on each side. It's gonna go straight to their website. This is a local charity that we're working with to get this vehicle looking perfect. This is going into people's homes and neighborhoods and offices, and it needs to look right when it pulls up. If you have any questions about doing a commercial vehicle wrap on a Sprinter, a car, a truck, anything you've got that you want to put your logo on, let us know. We can come along and assist it. While it's in the shop, if you want some window tint or dent repair or even ceramic coating, we can also get the vehicle protected for years to come. Thanks so much, guys, for checking out. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to any of our team members. We'd be happy to help.